Hello, my name is Bearfish, at least that's what I call myself here, and this is my 92 Jeep Cherokee ATV 2004 Polaris Sportsman, good machine. I've just been back fishing, went fishing for actually trout, but it turns out they polluted the lake with bass up here in the Lanark Highlands of Ontario. Anyways, I caught a couple of bass, so I just want to show you a little technique that I figured out. It's very hard to clean bass. Take the scales off them. I like to fry them whole so I don't waste anything. I want to show you what works. Now here's a 2,200 pound pressure washer, and I'm going to start this fella up. I better put the gas on it first. So over here, we've got a lovely little 2.5 pound bass. I cleaned one side of him already. I've got my pressure washer nozzle here. Watch this. Now you can see that the scales are cleaned right off of them. I'm only going to post this video if it turns out that his flesh is not damaged by the pressure. I like to fry him with the skin on because you get more nice food value and you don't waste anything. When you fillet them, you waste them. So if I post this video, that means that this works. That's it from Bearfish.